Why do you call shotgun when you want the front passenger seat? What does letting the cat out of the bag have to do with divulging secrets? Why do you ask people to cut to the chase? Why do you hear all those juicy rumors through the grapevine? Why do we say that? 101 Idioms, Phrases, Sayings and Facts is a book that delves into the origins and meanings of common idioms, phrases, sayings, and facts. It's a great resource for anyone who wants to expand their knowledge and understanding of the English language. The book begins by explaining the different types of idioms, phrases, sayings, and facts and their origins. Many of these common phrases have been around for centuries and have fascinating stories behind them. For example, the saying, "the ball is in your court," comes from the game of tennis and means that it is now the other person's turn to take action. Additionally, the book delves into the cultural roots of various expressions and idioms. The story of a group of blind men who are describing an elephant, but none of them see the full picture, and each one describes an aspect of the elephant that they can feel is the source of the expression, "the elephant in the room," which is used to describe an obvious problem or issue that is not being addressed. There are 101 idioms, phrases, sayings, and facts included in the book, each with clear examples and explanations of how to use them in a sentence. Anyone who wants to improve their English language skills will enjoy this entertaining and easy-to-read book. The book includes idioms, phrases, sayings, and facts in addition to fun and interesting trivia about the subjects to keep the reader interested. It's a great resource for students, people who are learning English, and anyone else who wants to learn more about and understand English. The reader can test their comprehension of the idioms, phrases, sayings, and facts by taking the exercises and quizzes provided at the end of each chapter. As a result, it is an excellent self-study and classroom tool. Why do we say that? 101 Idioms, Phrases, Sayings and Facts is a valuable resource for anyone interested in learning more about the English language and its history. Whether you're a student, an English language learner, or simply someone who wants to improve their language skills, this book is a great way to gain a deeper understanding of the idioms, phrases, sayings, and facts that are used every day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.